Want to check what changes you've made to your Instagram account in the last month? In this video, I'll show you how to view your full 30-day account history step by step using Instagram's built-in tools. Start by opening the Instagram app and making sure you're logged into the account you want to check. From the home screen, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Once there, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open your account options. From the list, select Your Activity. This is where Instagram keeps a detailed record of everything you've done on your account. Inside the Your Activity section, scroll down and tap on Account History. This area shows every update you've made to your account, including bio edits, email changes, username updates, and more. To filter these changes by time, tap the Filter by Date option at the top of the screen. A calendar will appear, just choose Past Month and apply the filter. Instagram will now display only the updates made in the last 30 days. You'll see each change listed along with the exact date it happened, so you can easily track what's been modified recently on your account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to like the video and follow for more quick social media tips. See you!